Today we are going to learn about topic modeling. So what is topic modeling? So we are going to look at the definitions. What is the definition of topic model? And there are some application of the topic model. We are going to look at the topic extraction. What is the relationship between topics? How to look at trend analysis, the document with people, and we are going to look at the basic concept of the topic model. So what is topic modeling or what is topic model? So we have input and most of the terminology for the input, we call it corpus. So corpus means a collection of documents, a collection of text, a collection of strings. So we have a lot of text, we have a lot of documents, and how can we know that this document belongs to a topic? How can we know that this document belongs to another topic? Or is this document belong to the same topic with the document one? Then we will extract those information. If we have this corpus, let's suppose we want to make 3 different topics. So form an input corpus and let's determine the number of topics. Okay. So if you learn in the data mining, we have like the clustering. So in the clustering, we have one algorithm called k-means. So in the k-means, we need to determine the k. K means the number of groups, the number of clusters. In this topic modeling, it is similar with the clustering. So we need to know how many topics that you want to create. It means when we have words, we want to create topics. For example, if you see this one, the topic one, the documents are related to the computer, technology, system, service, site, phone, internet, machine, and etc. The topic number 2, it is related with sales, store, product, business, advertising, market, and etc. The topic number 3, it is related with play, film, movie, theater, production, star, director, and stage. So we can figure out more. Okay, the topic number 1, it is more related to the technology. The topic number 2, it is related with a company or marketing. The topic number 3, it is related to movie. So something like that. So this kind of topic modeling, we can also find the relationship. So for its document, we can take a look what topics are expressed by that document. So for example, okay, I have this document. In this document, it is most probably in the topic number 1. So it is closer to topic number 1, but there are some words it might be correlated with topic number 2. So if this document is closer to topic number 2, there might be some words that might be correlated with topic number 3. So the topic can be correlated in some of the cases. So I think we already looked at some example or some application in the first lecture. For example, this is research about how we can extract a topic or topic extraction. So in the topic extraction here, the researchers this research, they try to discover 30 topics in the deep learning papers. So if the paper is related with deep learning, we want to know what are the topics that usually people do. Okay, then they have the topic about fault detection. If the topic is about fault detection, the most frequent word are related to deep leaf network, DBN, and fault. Okay, so we can see this is the DBN. If it is about the convolutional neural network, then the most frequent word are related with neural, convolutional, pool, convolution, cognet, and etc. So you can see this is the topic and these are the frequent words. So this is another topic extraction application. There are 50 topics, and from this is discovered from the article about the ultrasonography. When we have the article about ultrasonography, there are 50 topics, so like vascular, prostate, heart, CAD, and etc. And those are the most frequent words appear on that document. This is another topic extraction about the document related to threat. So threat is about the security. So these are the most frequent words in the document, and this is the topic. So the topic is about insider threat in relational database. The topic is about assessment of insider threat, and those are the frequent words. And we can find the relationship. For example, I know that if it is about image processing, so those words are frequent. Image segmentation, medical diagnosis, image retrieval. And if we deal with the image processing, there are most probably it is correlated with another topic which is about the object or signal recognition. So this topic might be highly correlated with the scalability. This topic has a high correlation with some application and so on. So we can also do this kind of relationship between topics. So this is another example about the topics in the Internet of Things. So if we are doing the research on the Internet of Things, we can collect the documents and we can also create the topics. For example, there are many words about RFID, smart place and energy efficiency, WSN and protocol. So WSN is web service network. And then we can see also the semantic context aware web and etc. So we can see if it is about RFID, there are many things about optimization and simulation, object detection or recognition or tracking, and etc. Then we can also look at the frequency may determine whether it is a hot topic or just a cold topic. So hot topic means high frequent words. The cold topic means just appear in the document, but it is not that frequent. We can also look at trend. Trend means we can look at the rising of the word frequency. If the word frequency in 2000 is this amount, and in 2015 the word frequency has risen, then okay, we can see that this topic is rising. So it is a trend. If you have the time, this is the time, x-axis is time, then you can plot this kind of trend analysis. So this is the topic trend for technology and innovation management. So there's a research to determine what are the most probable research topic in the future. For example, if the topics is related to total quality management and continuous improvement, it decreases. But if it is about the empirical study on innovation and firm performance, it increases. Then we can determine our future research topic based on this topic model. The document retrieval. So the document retrieval is also a part of the topic modeling. For example, this is a magazine. So all magazines are related to food. If you look at the picture, okay, most of them are related to food. And also we can take a look on other magazine that might be similar. And we can extract what are the most relevant topics from those magazines. And we can plot. For example, I want to know what would be the most frequent words in those magazines. And there are many kind of so we will learn later about the LDA, whether it is in the LDA, whether it is not in the LDA. And then we can also look at the frequency based on the timestamp. So this is the timestamp, it is in the day. So in this, maybe in this edition, the words are many. But in the other edition, the words is less. So you can also make this kind of analysis. Of course, you need to collect those kind of data. And it might be very difficult if you don't have access to the magazine. But I hope that this idea can be a kind of insight for you to do your final project. This is another research about how we can collect the topic model, how can we extract the topic model for the urban city concept relationship. So a topic modeling analysis of the living labs research in the context of urban city. So in the urban city, it is developed by this guy. Okay. So there are some topics about design, living lab, innovation, user ecosystem, city, and university. So those are the words correlated with the living lab research. And then they also look at what are the words correlated with the living lab. So they have many branches of this work. So by looking at this visualization, we can understand that living lab research, they do this kind of topic. They do this kind of research, particularly in the terms of university, city, ecosystem, user innovation, living lab, and design. So this is another kind of application. Okay. We can also make the topic model by automating the meeting. So there's one research. They try to collect the sound. So they create the application in a mobile phone, and then they record the meeting. After the meeting finishes, then it creates a summary. So the summary can be used for the meeting notes. For that we have the hero. So we can make this summarization, and then we can determine what is the topic in the meeting. So this kind of things, we can also do. If you want to try, then it is this kind of automatic meeting summarization has been available in some online tool like WebEx. So WebEx already has the function to make the automatic meeting summarization. So if you look at the YouTube that I shared to you, so all of them, I also put the meeting summarization is on the AI on the WebEx. Oh, sorry, I didn't complete this one. Actually, this is about the library that we can use for the topic modeling. So there are some libraries that are available, but of course, some of them are free and some of them you need to get the access. For example, this is the library from the Columbia University. You need to get the access to do the topic modeling. So in the topic models, actually, we can distinguish the topic models into three parts. Whether we want to use the algebraic methods or we want to use the probabilistic method or we want to use the neural method. So the algebraic method, we will look at the details about LSA and non-negative matrix factorization, NFF. Maybe I will just explain about LSA. And we also will learn about LDA, the latent de-risk allocation. And nowadays, people always use the neural network. So I will look more detail about this neural net after the meeting session. So I will explain about the algebraic and probabilistic before the meeting session. There is another topic about the fuzzy, but I will not discuss about the fuzzy things. And the evaluation matrix is also available, but I guess we can just use the common evaluation matrix. For example, in the graphics section, in the classification, we have the perplexity. So we can use those things for this topic models as well. So this is another things about the topic model, why I put this one. Yeah, this is another way. If we have a document, so we can assign the each of this word to a topic. Okay. So the yellow color means the topic that might be correlated, and this red color, they have the correlation between this word, and this word, and this word. So in one document, there might be several topics, and we will check the proportion based on the probability or the distribution. So the key ideas of the topic modeling, actually, we are going to check the distribution. Okay. So what is the distribution? So we will check if I have the word basic. So the word basic, okay, this is important, then we can assign topic here, or maybe we can look at the probability of this word. How many of this word appears in the document? How many of function appears in the document? Okay, so the function is highly correlated, for example, with detected, and then the breaker is highly correlated with the current flow. Interrupt and fault, it is highly correlated. So when we have this topic, usually we determine this by K. And we have the word distribution of topic. So now we just have the basic function, circuit, breaker, interrupt, current flow, fault detected, those words. We want to map into particular topic. So we have a collection of words and we want to put them into the particular topics. So the how many of words in the topic one? How many of words in the topic two? How many of words in the topic three? How many of words in the topic four? And then we can also determine how many of basic in the topic. Let's say how many of the word function in the topic two, and so on. So that's the key ideas of the topic modeling. Oh, I think I should delete something. Sorry, I didn't delete this one. So the idea of the topic modeling, we need to look at the frequency. So you already know this is the frequency. If we have the document, we have the word. So we can automatically extract topics from the text document, and we can use the term document matrix. So later on, I will also explain the term document, why we call this is TD, because the row is term. The row is term, and this is the document. But in other case, there will be a DT. DT means document term. So term means the word. Document means a document that have many words. The document that have many terms. So if we look at this one, okay, the frequency here is high. Why? Because if we look at the legend here, the color is black. So black means high occurrence. If it is white, it is low occurrence. So the idea for this topic modeling, it is based on the keyword. So let me just give you the key concept of the topic modeling. First, we can apply with the simple word frequency count methods. The simple word frequency means we can just calculate the frequency. So how many word appears in the document. So this emphasizes the use of raw term frequency. Raw term frequency means we use the term document matrices to assign topics. So the simple approach, the method relies on predefined keywords, such as associating specific words with certain topics. So what does it mean? Let's look at the example. So in this example, let's suppose there are 5 documents. I have document 1, I love basketball. Basketball is a great sport. I enjoy watching movies. Movies are entertaining. I love playing sports. Now, in these 5 documents, we can create the term document matrix. What is term document matrix? This is the word, or this is the term, and this is the document. So in the document 1, I have the word I, 1. I have the word love, 1. And I have the word basketball, 1. In the document 2, I have the word basketball, 1, sport, 1, great. Okay. But what about is? What about So we already learned previously. We can remove stop words. Okay. So is is something meaningless. It appears many times. So we can remove it because it is the stop words. Document 3. We have I movies watching enjoy. So the same with the document 4. We have are. Are is not included because it is also stop words. So we have only movies and entertainment. Okay, and so on. So using this term document matrix, we can calculate. So let's suppose we have a predefined topic. So this predefined topic is something that you need to know about the knowledge. For example, I define the topic 1 is related to basketball. Topic 1 is related to sport. Topic 1, it might have the word playing and so on. If the word topic 2, so it includes movie, watching, entertaining. So we can assign this one by looking at those words in the documents. So in the document 1, let's look at the words. In the topic 1, it contains basketball, sport, and play. Now let's look at the document 1. In the document 1, it contains of I. I belongs to topic 1 or topic 2. Nothing. Okay. Love. It belongs to topic 1 or topic 2. Nothing. Basketball. It belongs to topic 1 or topic 2. It is. Okay. We know topic 1. Then we have topic 1. That's 1. And then let's look again. This one, 0. Then in this document 1, there is 1 that is related with topic 1. And there is no related to topic 0, topic 2. So let's take a look. Topic 2 is movie. There is no word movie. Watching. There is no word watching. Entertaining. There is no word entertaining. Then, because we have 1 on the topic 1 for document 1, then we can assign document 1 to topic 1. Now, let's look at the document 2. In the document 2, the word is basketball, sport, and play. So, basketball is in the topic 1. Sport is in the topic 1. Great. No, there is neither in topic 1 or not topic 2. Then, in this case, we have 2 words in the topic 1. What about topic 2? Movie is 0, entertaining it is 0, and watching is also 0. Then the topic 2 is 0. So we can say that the document number 2, it belongs to topic 1 because it shows high frequent on the topic 1. and so on. So we can also look at the document 3, document 4, and document 5 by looking on the frequency. Okay. So we count the number of frequency of each of the topic and assign the topic based on the highest frequency. So this is the key idea, the basic idea with the keyword-based topic assignment. And in this case, we need to have the predefined topic. So this is the predefined topic. So I give the Google Colab. I will discuss this on the next class about the Google Colab. So let's look at the limitation. With this keyword-based topic assignment, it is lack of flexibility. Why? Because documents are rigidly assigned to one topic, cannot handle ambiguous or multiple topic documents. So in this case, we assume that if it is related to basketball, it is always in the topic 1. But sometimes basketball can be entertaining. And no probabilistic modeling. So we do not use any topic distribution. So this is just only assignment. So that's why it is the one of the limitation. And sensitivity to the word choice. It is highly sensitive to the word choice. For example, if we have the synonyms or slight word variation can lead to misclassification. For example, if I have the word basketball, so I want to also include the word basket, but actually basket can have another meaning. So when we include the basket only, it is not possible. And it is highly sensitive to the word choice. If you, in the later we will learn about the sentiment analysis. In the sentiment analysis, when you choose the word love, like, adore, so they are very similar. They are the same. So if you don't choose those words, then you cannot get the positive sentiment. And there is no discovery of hidden structure. So it means you cannot discover new or latent topic. So we always say that, okay, if I have only 2 topics, then let's just use these 2 topics. And with this keyword-based assignment, it is difficult to handle large vocabulary because we know there are many vocabularies, not only 3, not only 4, not only 5, but maybe thousands. But the key idea, we can use this one for the topic model. So next, we will learn more about the algorithms. Okay, I will create another PowerPoint for the algorithm section. Okay, any questions?